Hi, this is Chuck Joss with Valley RV Supercenter. Today I'm going to show you the 21 MBH. Great floor plan, lots of seating inside. Coming back this way, you do have the outside kitchen area. So you do have the griddle that comes out so you can cook on it, little refrigerator on the outside, outside shower, underneath that huge awning there. Outside speakers so you can enjoy music out here. It's going to get even better coming on inside. So as you walk in, you got this nice couch here, little armrest with drink holders, nice comfortable place to sit, huge U-shaped dinette. So if your family plays cards or plays game night, this is a great place to have it. Coming up inside, TV set right over here where it does swivel out. You can watch it from the couch or the dinette. Big kitchen, counter space. So when you do dishes, you have a place to put your dishes. Nice big refrigerator, 12-volt refrigerator. 2 oversized bunks that'll take up to 600 pounds apiece. So 2 large kids, or really 2 adults, can fit in those bunks. And then the bathroom, massive shower pan, toilet with lots of room around it. Now here's one of the greatest thing about this coach. Nighttime, you're done sitting, relaxing, and you're ready to go to bed. Flip of one lever. You got your Murphy bed all set up. So you can sleep 2 here, 2 on the dinette, 4 in the bunks, so you can bring everybody along and everybody can be in comfort. If you want to take a look at this trailer or any other Jayco, stop by Valley RV Supercenter in Kent. My name is Chuck. Give me a call anytime at 253-228-4716.